안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I will share another Korean convenience store food, triangle kimbap. I already posted 3 different kinds before, and this time I will make one with spicy tuna called 고추 참치 삼각김밥 in Korean. First, we need a canned tuna, 참치 can. My all-time favorite is this darkest tuna in sunflower oil. Next, briefly I want to show you our garden. We started it very late this year due to our move and some animal attacked it twice. But after we fixed the animal problem, it is doing pretty good. So I will pick some perilla leaves for filming this video today. Chop the perilla leaves, 깻잎, into small chunks and finely chop the onion, 양파. Combine the tuna, the mayonnaise, the hot pepper paste, 고추장, and the chopped veggies. Mix everything together. Divide the tuna mixture in half like this, and each portion will be used for one triangle kimbap. If you prefer a smaller amount of filling, you can get 3 portions out of this recipe instead of 2. Put the freshly cooked short grain rice, 쌀밥, into a bowl and season the rice with the salt, 소금, sesame seed, 참깨, and the sesame oil, 참기름. Mix it all together and then divide the rice into 4 portions. Here, this is the most important ingredient for today, the dried labor and triangle kimbap mold. I already have a mold but ran out of the dried labor, so I ordered this 50 sheets refill at Amazon. I will add the product link in the description box below this video. The fun part is making the triangle kimbap, so place the side marked with the number 1 face down, with the 1 at the top. Then, place the plastic forming tool on top of the seaweed, kim. Take a portion of the rice we divided earlier and fill the bottom of the triangle shape with the rice. Spread it out evenly. Put a portion of the tuna mixture on the rice and spread it out evenly. Now put another portion of the rice on top of the tuna and in the same way spread it out evenly. Press the rice with the other plastic piece in the kit until you push it down to the line on the first plastic piece. That will make the rice firm and keep its shape. Slowly remove the plastic forming tools and fold the seaweed sheet up over the rice. Now both sides of the seaweed down over the rice and tuck the extra seaweed under the rice. And then fold both sides of the bottom seaweed piece up over the sides to the center of the triangle. Tape each side with a sticker. It is a little tricky to take off this sticker with one hand, so it would be great to have an assistant. I needed our son Bryson or Logan here, and where are they? By the way, make sure that the sticker is put on the kimbap in the proper direction, not upside down, because the bottom of the sticker has a small cut to help make it easier to open later. Use the same process for the other triangle kimbap. The pleasantly spicy tuna along with the fresh perilla leaves make a scrumptious filling. So please try this easy, fun, and delicious triangle kimbap recipe someday. And if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.